If you've ever wondered how to create cinematic videos just by typing a few words, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best Sora AI prompts that will give you high-quality, jaw-dropping video results. Plus, I'll share proven tricks that most people don't know about to help you get the most out of Sora AI, all for free. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, marketing, or just having fun, these tips will help you unlock Sora AI's full potential. Let's dive in. What makes a good Sora AI prompt? Sora AI is incredibly powerful, but it all starts with your prompt. The better your prompt, the better the video. Your prompt should clearly describe three key things: setting and action, what's happening and where, visual style and mood, cinematic, realistic, fantasy, animated, futuristic, camera techniques, close-up, wide angle, drone shot, slow motion, time-lapse. For example, a cinematic aerial shot of a lush green valley at sunrise, birds flying across the misty hills, ultra-realistic 4K resolution, slow cinematic camera movement. Tricks for getting stunning results. Here are some powerful tricks to improve your Sora AI videos. 1. Be super specific. Sora loves details. Don't just say a forest, say a dense rainforest with rays of sunlight breaking through the morning mist. Details help Sora create richer, more immersive videos. 2. Include camera terms. Use filmmaking language like close-up, slow zoom, tracking shot, or steady drone pan. Sora responds really well to these kinds of instructions and will craft a smoother, cinematic feel. 3. Set the mood and time of day. Include lighting and atmosphere. Golden hour, moonlit, neon lit, or dark and moody. This instantly upgrades the realism and emotional tone. 4. Adjust for style and genre. Want a fantasy scene? Mention fantasy or cinematic fantasy. Creating a product demo? Mention ultra-realistic and crisp product shots. Sora thrives on style keywords like documentary style, dreamlike animation, hyper-realistic, cinematic trailer, or even stop-motion look. 5. Break complex scenes into steps. If you want an action scene, like a car chase, give Sora the scene in one sentence and add key details after. Example: a sports car racing through downtown Tokyo at night. Shot with cinematic slow motion, rain-soaked streets reflecting neon signs, close-up of wheels spinning, sparks flying as it drifts around a corner. More details equals better output. Free ways to test Sora AI style prompts today. Sora is still in limited access for most people, but you can practice these prompt tricks with other tools right now. Runway ML. Generate video from text prompts with a free plan. Pika Labs. Text to video that supports cinematic style prompts. Kyber AI. Converts images and text into motion videos. By practicing these prompt techniques and other tools, you'll already have an edge when Sora AI becomes widely available. Examples of winning Sora AI prompts. Here are a few tested prompt examples you can try or adapt for your own projects. A majestic eagle soaring over snow-capped mountains at sunset. Ultra-realistic 8K cinematic drone shot with a slow zoom. A bustling cyberpunk street in rainy Tokyo at night. Glowing neon signs. Cinematic close-up of a motorcycle driver. Hyper-real style. A slow-motion scene of ocean waves crashing against rocks at dawn. Golden light on mist. Ultra-high-definition cinematic style. A fantasy dragon flying over a castle surrounded by mist. Cinematic aerial shot. Dramatic lighting, and 4K fantasy realism. By using these tricks, being specific, using camera terms, choosing moods and styles, and practicing with free tools, you'll be able to craft Sora AI prompts that produce incredible cinematic videos. And remember, Sora is just the beginning. The better you understand AI prompting now, the better prepared you'll be as this technology becomes mainstream. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI filmmaking tips, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Sora prompt. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.